Yes, we are here again for an interesting update. Do you know that some people don't know really what is the cause of rainbow? Many people don't know, but I want to let you know what is really the cause of rainbow that we see in the sky. So most people think rainbow is a color in the sky. They also think that this is just magic. No, it is physics in the sky. So that is one thing I want us to understand, that physics is also operating in the sky. So now here we go. What is the cause of rainbow? First step is note that sunlight is not white. Sunlight is made of 7 colors. The red color, the orange, yellow, green, we have blue, we have indigo and violet. That is the 7th color of a rainbow. And that is the 7th color that sunlight is made of. But we look at it as white light. No, the light of the sun is not white. It's made of 7 colors, which I have just mentioned them here. So take note, that is one thing you should have in mind. Now, second step is, when there's rain, there's millions of tiny water droplets in the air. So when it rains and the rain stops, there are tiny water droplets in the air, millions of it. So when sunlight enters this water droplet, when sunlight incident on this water droplet there form like a mini prism. So as sunlight enters or incident on this water droplet, the light bends, the sunlight bends, and that bending of the sunlight shows that the light has moved from a lesser medium to a denser medium. It bends towards the normal. So, and that bending is what we call refraction. As the light bends, as it enters the water droplet, the light bends. That bending is called refraction. So while the light is inside the water droplet, the thing now hits the other side of the water droplet, then reflect back. So reflection takes place inside the water droplet. So, and that reflection, the physicians will tell you, is total internal reflection, and that is what is taking place inside the water droplet. And at the end of the day, the water, the light will exit from the other side of the water droplet and also bend again. This time is bending out, is spreading out. That spreading out is called dispersion of light. As it spread out, the 7 colors of sunlight comes out, is spread out. And that 7 colors, I mentioned them here. We have the red, we have the orange, we have the yellow, we have the green, we have the blue, we have the indigo, we have the violet. They spread out. They comes out like a circle. So rainbow is a circle. That spreading out of sunlight is what we see as rainbow. But I want you to have it behind you that rainbow, those light comes out like a circle. Rainbow is a circle. But why we see it as a curve, as an arc, is because as it comes out like a circle, part of it is being blocked by the ground. So you see it curve. So that is the cause of a rainbow. This I've explained is simple. Even a layman understands this. That is what causes rainbow. For those of you writing WAEC, JAM, and even those in the university, even those who are writing any exams, those are likely questions they ask. Those are common questions that is always asked. What is the cause of a rainbow? If you listen to this explanation, it's as simple as ABC. And there are three things that causes rainbow: refraction, reflection, and dispersion. So that is the cause of a rainbow. So how do you look at this lesson? It's very interesting. Is it not interesting? You see how interesting it is. So you can also share it to your friends. So if you have any challenge, go to the comment section and make your comment. It's so interesting. Keep yourself updated in this channel. You are going to see more updates in other aspects of life. So I also want you to understand that rainbow is not just a color in the sky. It is caused by sunlight and the millions of water droplets in the air. And take note, you can't see rainbow in the dry season when there's no water droplet in the air. You can't see rainbow in the dry season. The only time you see rainbow is during the raining season, when there's rain. And as soon as rain stops, there's tiny water, millions of them in the atmosphere there, in the air. So that is what causes rainbow. So thank you for watching, and share to your loved ones, and also make comments for more updates. You're welcome.